Are you just getting into ham radio for the first time, but don't know where to begin? Or maybe you're a seasoned veteran, looking for a new way to enjoy your favorite hobby? Finding new communities isn't always easy, and it can be hard to know where to look. Today, we'll be breaking down 5 of the most popular ham radio hobbies so you can start checking in and joining the fun. Number 1, off-roading and overlanding. If you're big into the outdoors, this one's for you. Going off-road usually means you'll have spotty connection with any device. While that's not always a problem, and sometimes it's the point, it's good to have a reliable communication system in place. Not only that, but you'll find an entire community out there of other hams who enjoy taking some time off-grid to camp, sightsee, or connect with like-minded hams. Now, what if you took that idea a bit further? Instead of a weekend off-road, try a week, a month, or even a year. Just you, your rig, and the stars. Not a vacation, but a journey. This is what it means to be an overlander. When overlanding, you live out of your vehicle for however long you want, customizing your vehicle to fit your needs. As with regular off-roading, many overlanders include a ham radio setup along with their rig to chat with other hams out enjoying nature on their terms. It's a more intense hobby, but more rewarding as well. Whether off-roading or overlanding, we'd recommend the Xiegu G90. It's got all you need when beginning in HF, offering a detachable front panel, automatic antenna tuner, a waterfall display, and 20 watts of RF power. With all that versatility, you'll be prepared for any situation. Number 2, contesting. A popular hobby among hams is contesting. Contesting can take many forms, taking place regionally or even nationwide. So today we're going to break down 2 in particular, field day and fox hunts. Field day is without a doubt the most popular on-the-air event in North America. On the 4th weekend of June every year, radio amateurs from all around gather to celebrate everything that makes ham radio so appealing. This day can be celebrated in a number of ways, from participating in informal contests to practicing emergency response capabilities. If you use amateur radio, this is absolutely an event to mark on your calendar. In amateur radio, a fox hunt refers to an activity broadly known as transmitter hunting, where radio transmitters are hidden in secret locations for ham enthusiasts to hunt down. Some hunts are conducted with hunters actually traveling to the hidden location in motor vehicles, while other hunts don't require you to go anywhere at all. Fox hunts are great for hams who love traveling to new places and for those who aren't able to travel. Basically, it's for everyone. So why participate in contesting? It's by far the best way to network with other hams locally and regionally. If you're looking to build your amateur radio skills or to just connect with people in your area, give contesting a try. Number 3, parks on the air. Parks on the air, often abbreviated as POTA, is a popular activity for hams looking to record and log their interactions with hams. To participate in POTA, begin by checking out the official website, parksontheair.com, and read over all the rules and regulations while you're there. The premise of POTA is that you travel from park to park around your neighborhood, or further if you prefer, establishing activations. An activation essentially means putting a pin on the map for other POTA users to recognize. The more activated parks and contacts made, the more points you rack up. Sometimes you need a little incentive to help motivate new hobbies. What better way than to score high in a point system that's visible to all other hams? Time to get out there and show them what you're made of. Number 4, EME. EME, or Earth-Moon-Earth communication, is a method of radio communication that bounces a radio waves off the surface of the moon and back to an Earth-based transmitter. As you might expect, this is not a particularly easy or convenient method of communication, as you have to calculate for things like galactic noise from other planets and stars. But that makes it all the more rewarding when you do successfully reach another ham. Just imagine how neat it would be to hear a voice on the other end of that transmission. One small message for man, one giant transmission for mankind. Or something of that effect. Number 5, learning the tech. Another popular ham radio hobby is simply learning more about ham radio. It's one thing to know how to operate a ham radio, but it's another thing entirely to truly know how a ham radio works. If that sounds exciting to you, then it's time to crack open some textbooks and get learning. Bridgecom University is a great place to begin, where we offer in-depth guides for all things DMR. Click the link in the description to check it out. There's a wide range of activities you can participate in with amateur radio, but it's not always obvious where to start. Thankfully, amateur radio is a rewarding and accessible hobby that can continue to surprise even when you've been in the community for a while. Be sure to watch our video on why you should switch to DMR so you can get up to speed with the growing amateur radio community. Thanks for watching, and as always, 7-3.